Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Signal Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the news for the gold market or XAU-USD market. As per we know that XAU-USD always connected with USD news, so we have to analyze the USD news to find out our gold or XAU-USD's proper direction or path. Okay. So before we start, we need to see something about the gold news or gold market. So we have to basically follow two kind of news. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. Okay, so let's check the economic calendar. What kind of news are coming in upcoming weeks? As you can see, there is Monday and Tuesday. There is no news, and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Those 3 days we have a lot of news, so we will break down all of the news and we will also see the market movement from the news side. That means what is Donald Trump and Putin's and Fed's concern right now or currently. So we will break down all of them, and if there something going to happen suddenly, what impact will be happen on the market, we will learn all of things in this individual video. So let's get back into our analysis from the starting of the video. As you can see there, I just put there a lot of things like positive news and negative news. You may know that there's two type of economic news comes in the market. One of this is positive news. Positive news means that come like green 5%, green 245k, and for positive news it indicates sell for gold or XAUSD. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why? We will discuss this briefly in later. Okay. For negative news, same thing. Negative news come with red 2.5% and red 245k. Okay, like that kind of data, and that indicate buy for gold. Okay, and if we scroll down a little bit more, as you can see there is a lot of thing, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will buy gold, why for negative news we will sell gold? Let's learn this thing. Okay, before we start to discuss this topic, you need to keep your concern this true thing. That means gold value is always fixed or constant, USD value is always changeable, or currency value is always variable. Okay, for now, suppose one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 United States dollar. Okay, one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 triangle of United States dollar. As per we know, gold value is always fixed, so this value will be always fixed. Our difference will come in USD value because there is inflation come in currency like United States dollar. There is negative pressure comes in the United States dollar. Okay, positive pressure can become on USD, negative pressure can become on USD also. So if we get minus 5%, that means negative 5% news on this United States dollar, if we minus 5% from this triangle, that means news come in USD, news come with minus 5% data. Okay, so we will minus 5% this previous triangle. In that case, gold is bigger than USD triangle, and that's why we will buy gold in that case. Okay, and same thing for another one. If there is plus 5% data come for the USD, that means plus 5% here, we will add 5% plus 5% on this triangle. In that case, USD triangle is bigger than gold triangle. In that case, gold is smaller than USD triangle. That's why we will sell gold. I hope you understand this basic thing, and let's get back into the economic calendar. As you can see there, as per we said, there is lot of data will come in upcoming weeks, and Monday we have no news, and if there is no geopolitical issues, geopolitical news like there is no Donald Trump and Putin or Zelensky talk, we will move, market will move sideways, like it will follow a channel. We will take sell entry, upper side on the channel, we will take buy entry, lower side on the channel. But there is a thing, maybe on Monday Donald Trump and Zelensky will end the war. That means Donald Trump already talked with Putin. So if there is a settlement happen with Putin, Donald Trump will talk about that issue with Zelensky, and that war issue will be ended soon. So when that news comes, gold will immediately fall down, because as per I said before in a lot of video, in that case, if there is anywhere related in the major countries or major economic countries in the world, if they start where, gold will starting to go up because there is lot of costing, ware costing and other thing. So in that case, inflation will add it with United States dollar, so gold will go up. Country like Ukraine, because US are spending billions of dollar beside of Ukraine, that's why inflation is going up. And if that were end, inflation will go down and gold will also go down, because if dollar value, if dollar value positive, gold will go down, we may know that. Okay, and in these 2 days, if there is no geopolitical news, we will take entry for the sideways market. And if there Zelensky or Putin talk each other to end the war, we will sell gold depending on the market situation, depending on the market confirmation. So for that, we already posting a lot in our Telegram channel to geopolitical issues, news update. So if you want to get real-time update from the Telegram, you may join our public Telegram channel. It's completely free. Telegram link in the video description below. Okay, and for Tuesday we will wait for geopolitical news. If there is no geopolitical news, we'll trade the market sideways. Okay, there is no issue, and we will follow the technical rules. And for Wednesday, we have FOMC member specs. So we need to see the member what this saying. Okay, if they saying something positive about gold, that means about USD, we will sell gold. If they say something that in fact negative thing in USD, we will buy gold. This is the simple thing. And in Thursday, we have a lot of news. That means for this week, there is major news comes in the Thursday. We have unemployment claims, we have PMI, we have plus service PMI, we have plus manufacturing PMI, and we have home sale news also. So we have to keep our concern on that thing. If their news come with positive data like that one, we will sell gold. If there is data come with negative data like that one but red value, we will buy gold at that case. And if data come with this black color, then this is less valuable news. We will wait for technical confirmation. And in Friday, we have two-time news. If data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. This is the simplest theory as I know, as per I know. Okay, so if you keep that things in your concern, you may make a good amount of money in this marketplace. And as per I said, sometimes in the Forex Factory or in Telegram, there is some news portal on Twitter, and you may see that on Forex Factory also. So if you follow them, you may see the economic news like US inflation picture has been mixed. That means they said on August 15, 6:36 p.m. US inflation is mixed. No positive, no negative. Okay, it makes equal. So market will move sideways. If they said inflation is going higher, gold will go higher also. If they said inflation is going down, gold will go down also. Because if inflation go higher, it's weak point for US dollar. Okay, and if inflation go low, it's strong point for US dollar. Okay, this is the thing. And as you can see there is Trump says something. If Putin doesn't agree about Trump concern, Trump will go back soon. That means Trump will dismiss the meeting. Okay, so that type of thing are really impact on the market. So you have to follow this thing if you want to trade, if you want to make some bucks. Okay, so we are sharing a lot of things into our Telegram channel, so even join there to get real-time update, real-time data. Okay, Telegram channel link in the video description below. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.